Hey guys, got a wore out headliner that needs some repair. Let me show you guys how to fix it. Stay tuned. Well, hey guys, so I got the roof cut off the Suburban. I need a headliner for the 4-door. Doesn't have a headliner, so I figure I will use this, lay some fiberglass up, stiffen it up for this shape, and then I got a good headliner to start with. So that way I have something to bond the fabric to. And this is just like a hardy board type stuff. So I'm just gonna scrape the old padding off. Alright, so what I'm going to use is this marine grade resin. I'm going to mix it, MEK hardens it, polyester resin. So works good. I'm going to lay the fiberglass down, get a good base, then we'll just put about 2 layers on. I don't need to make it heavy or durable, I just need to make it stiff. So, and usually this mixes, like, depends on what you want to do in the hardness and how quick. So like this is about a quart, requires 0.25 in the MEK ratio. So we'll just at 3/4%, 1%, 33. I'm gonna lighten it up because I want it to dry a little slower, especially the way the temperatures are out here right now. Don't use a good brush. Use a throwaway brush. Alright guys, so I got it fiberglassed. I'm gonna let this set up, then I'll remove this. It's kind of acting like a mold, and you do remember that I did put some foam underneath this to build it up for the back half, because the Suburban roofs are different than the 4-door roofs. They kind of, after the rear doors, it kind of bumps up in the middle, and that's where the braces kind of come up. So I kind of wanted you guys to be aware of that also, and whatever I need to trim to make up the difference, because this is bumped up, I can trim off the edge, because I'm still brought it up so I still keep this radius, because that radius is the same in the 4-doors. So I am going to test fit it before I start laying up the back section, and that's why I left all these dry fibers here, because then I'm going to create another mold to do around the back window, down to the back window. So it's kind of a process, but this is where I'm at now. This is part 1. Part 2 will be later when I fit this up and when I start adding some custom aspects, because I kind of want to add into this headliner some starlight fiber optics, just something I've always wanted to do, and I think this one will be a great candidate for it. Cool. Thanks guys, appreciate it.